Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the exact cells you want averaged. Click the first numeric cell, hold Shift and click the last cell to form a continuous range. Once done, confirm there are no stray text entries. Text can break some calculations. If you need multiple groups, use Control or Command to pick non-adjacent cells. Make sure to note header rows so they aren't included. Now move to the formula bar and prepare to enter the function. This is where the average actually gets computed. You type the formula starting with equals average. For a continuous block, use equals average A2, A20. For specific cells, use commas like equals average B2, B5, B9. If you need conditions, switch to equals average, range, criteria, or equals average for multiple criteria. This filters values before averaging. Once entered, press Enter. Excel returns the numeric mean. If you want the formula on other rows, drag the fill handle or copy and paste, making sure relative. You finalize by confirming results and cleaning up errors. If you see #div/0, it means the formula found no numeric entries. Wrap with IFER to show 0 or a message. When imported data appears numeric but behaves like text, use trim and value to convert it and set cell format to number or percentage. If formulas don't update after edits, press F9 to recalculate, and always recheck ranges when adding or removing rows so your average remains accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.